tolerances on this section are tighter than the last build.
We need to verify the alignment before the next stage arrives.
Check the thrust vectoring on engine 3. The telemetry readings are fluctuating.
I see it. Rerouting power from the auxiliary manifold now.
Stored here are the critical materials for the next generation of aircraft: aluminum lithium sheets and dense titanium blocks.
The critical stress points are evident in the cantilever section. By optimizing the ventilation system, we ensure efficient...
The thrust vectoring seems stable at T-minus 60.
Agreed, but monitor the gimbal limits on engine 3.
Here, in the Integrated Fabrication Hall, robotic precision crafts the future of flight.
Check the coordinates at point 4. We need a slight adjustment there.
Copy that. Relaying the update to the system now. Stand by.
Friction stir welding creates a seamless bond, vital for the structural integrity of the rocket fuselage.
We need to adjust the placement right here.
Okay, I see it. The margin is tight on this one.
Attenuation looks good on the S-scan.
Confirmed. No flaws detected in this section.
The sheer scale of the Pathfinder tank requires precision at every level.
All systems green, pressure holding steady.
Good work, team. Inform the crane operator we are clear.
The thrust vectoring assembly looks nominal.
Check the pressure readings on the manifold.
Readings are stable, approaching flight readiness.
Thermal readings stable.
All systems green. Engine is online.
Lowering sequence engaged. Alignment holding steady at point 02.
Confirmed. Proceed slowly to full dock.
The automated systems engage the locking mechanisms. Onboard sensors confirm the precise fit, clearing the way for the next phase of integration.
Checklist complete for Section 4. Copy that.
Telemetry looks nominal across the board.
Pressure line connected on Section 4.
Data streams nominal. We are green for launch prep.
The supercooled liquid rapidly drops the temperature, causing the fuel lines to froze completely. The gauges In the golden light of dawn, the fully assembled orbital launch vehicle begins its journey to the pad.
We are clear for the final approach. Wind shear is within limits.
Confirmed. Initiate level checks on Section Gamma.
Station 3, fluid lines connected.
Copy that. Moving to panel 7. Torque is within limits.
The view from orbit is unparalleled. Our telescopes and sensors scan the Earth.
The vehicle has cleared the tower. We are reading nominal trajectory.